What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on SEI, which has gone through quite of an increase, not just in the last 24 hours but over the last week and a half. As you guys can see, it has gained an insane amount of value, and in the last 24 hours itself it has pumped up 25%, currently trading at 46 cents guys. So as you guys can see, it has been performing very well. What is next for SEI? Is it going to drop back down? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it a crypto to be investing into right now? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and essentially looking at its short-term and long-term prediction for 2024 and for the rest of the year. What is the highest figure it can hit, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But just a quick insight, we can see the graph, or SEI, the crypto itself, has broken out from the red zone into the green zone yesterday, and it keeps going higher. And the last time we did hit the green zone was back earlier this year, about 3 months ago. So it's good to see it back into the green zone, but whatever happens next is what the main point is, which I will be getting into very shortly. For now, let's bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of SEI, which is here in purple at 33 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at 46 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and they are looking quite steep as well. Reason being is, over the last few hours here, it has been hitting red candles, meaning the graph is expecting it to drop down a little bit further than where it is at the moment. However, because of how steep the lines are here on the MACD indicator, it is not as realistic as it seems. So essentially, over the next couple of hours, I'm expecting it to more or less fluctuate around 44-45 cents, and then potentially gain back up, heading over 50 cents in value over the next few days is what I'm expecting. So let's zoom into the hourly chart here. Over the next couple of days, we do have still the blue line looking quite bearish, and the orange line once again looking bearish as well, looking quite negative, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from SEI over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid next week, the graph is expecting an overall minimal drop in value from the crypto, which I do agree with. However, let me explain it in a little bit more detail. Over the next few days, so towards the end of this week, I'm expecting it to head over 50 cents, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. And then early to mid next week, it should start to hit red candles, dropping back down in value, down to around 42 to 43 cents in value is where I'm expecting SEI to be trading at by mid next week. So do expect quite a wave pump and then drop back down in value. Reason being is, it has pumped up quite a bit over the last week, over 60, nearly 70%. So the crypto is slightly overvalued right now. So it is likely to go for a price correction by mid next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction. We do have both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading upwards, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from SEI over the next, let's say, 6 to 8 weeks. So by mid to late November 2024, I'm expecting SEI to be heading over the 60 to 65 cents value is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market can be, so I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on my take and predictions on that. But at the moment, I'm expecting an overall increase in value, especially that I'm also expecting the crypto market to go for a bullish round over the next few months, especially towards the end of the year. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the green zone, and essentially what I'm expecting by mid next week is for it to return back to the resistance level here, nearly hit the red zone, so dropping down to about 41 cents as well, and then heading towards the resistance target of 42 cents is where I'm expecting SEI to be trading at by mid next week, and potentially bouncing back up in value into the green zone by mid to late October, and potentially into the dark green zone in November is where I'm expecting SEI to be heading towards at the moment. However, a lot of people have been saying SEI is likely to hit the $1 mark by the end of the year, which again is quite of a push. I highly doubt SEI is likely to hit the dollar mark because it will require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from this crypto at the moment. However, I will keep you guys updated if I'm expecting it to head anywhere towards the $1 mark. So let's head back into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up near about 300% in the last 24 hours, making it over $500 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious. The crypto has been pumping in value over the last week or so. Again, a week ago the trading volume was about $85 million, and right now has pumped up all the way up here. So that's how much traction is gaining in the crypto market, and we can see here majority of the people are bullish, and we got 11% which are bearish, which I can understand because of the way it's been pumping. It is also likely to go for a price correction, so may see a little bit of a dip over the next week or so. So over the month, 28%, we can see that the market has been a little bit on the red side over the last month or two, especially here. As you guys can see, since about earlier this year, the crypto market, not just SEI but including Bitcoin, it has been dropping quite a bit, but I'm expecting it to take a U-turn over the next month or two. Heading back up is where I'm expecting the market to head towards. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high or how low are you guys expecting SEI to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also, if you guys want me to cover any other cryptos on this channel, make sure to comment down below as well, as I'm pretty intrigued to see which crypto you guys are interested into. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.